Welcome to our lesson on unary, binary, and ternary operators in Dart. Today, we'll explore these operators, which play essential roles in performing operations and making decisions in Dart programming. Operators are fundamental tools in programming, enabling various computations, comparisons, and decision-making processes. Understanding unary, binary, and ternary operators is crucial for efficient coding in Dart. Unary operators involve a single operand and perform operations like incrementing, decrementing, or changing the sign of a value. Let's explore some unary operators in Dart. The unary plus symbol, and minus symbol, operators in Dart are used to denote positive or negative values. These operators are applied to a single operand to change its sign. Binary operators work with two operands and include arithmetic, logical, and relational operations. Let's explore how binary operators perform different computations in Dart. Arithmetic binary operators like addition, plus, subtraction, multiplication, asterisk, and division, / work with two operands to perform mathematical computations in Dart. Ternary operators involve three operands and are mainly represented by the conditional operator in Dart. This operator allows for concise conditional expressions. The conditional operator evaluates a condition and returns one of two expressions based on whether the condition is true or false. It's an efficient way to write conditional statements. Let's explore practical examples that demonstrate how unary, binary, and ternary operators are utilized in actual Dart programming scenarios. Following best practices ensures clean and efficient code. Utilize unary operators for single operand operations. Use binary operators for arithmetic, logical, and relational computations. Employ ternary operators for concise conditional expressions. Unary, binary, and ternary operators are powerful tools in Dart programming, offering versatility in computations and decision-making. Mastering these operators enhances coding efficiency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!